Okay, I finally got the bouncy healthy hair I've been wanting, and it's not because of a shampoo. It's because of this. It's called the Scalp-n-Go. I used to have dandruff and my scalp would get oily really quickly, and I just thought that's how my scalp worked. But the real problem was that the shampoo I was using that promised to fix all of my issues wasn't getting to my scalp. Like, why are we putting dandruff shampoo all over our hair when the problem is on our skin? This is how it works. Put the Scalp-n-Go onto your favorite shampoo bottle. Pick one, doesn't matter if it's any standard shampoo bottle.
BRB, just wetting my hair real quick.
Just touch the fingers to your scalp and apply the treatment directly to your head.
There's no need to part or comb your hair, and it works with every hair texture.
It actually feels like a massage.
When you're ready to clean it, it just twists apart.
Everything about this tool is so low effort while giving you amazing results. Like, what more could you want? And just a bonus, if you have your nails done like me, this will save your nails. Because we've all been there when you're washing your scalp and then your hair gets caught under your nails and lifts your manicure. The worst. Just let this be your fingers.
Treat your scalp at myscalpandgo.com.